This is a simple yet elegant 3-bedroom house design which is perfect for a small family. The layout of the plan comprises the entrance terrace, which is the first point of call, the living area, which leads us directly into the dining area. The dining room is spacious and followed by the kitchen. The master bedroom and 2 other bedrooms are all located on the right side of the building. There are 2 washrooms for both residents and visitors. The living area walkthrough. The living area has been carefully designed to ensure harmony within the space. There's a single L-shaped sofa in the living area which is not placed against a wall. This makes it possible for easy movement. The television, which faces the sofa, sits on a storage unit which takes up all music and video equipment. Dining area walkthrough. The living area leads us directly into the dining area through an archway. The space contains a set of table and chairs used primarily for eating. A cabinet has also been provided to serve as storage. The provision of bay windows which allow for natural light nuances create a bright and airy ambience. Kitchen walkthrough. This is a spacious kitchen which is efficient, beautiful and functional. The counter is arranged in an U-shaped format. This allows for more workspace. Cupboards and cabinets have also been provided to serve as storage units. There is also a spacious outdoor workspace which is very suitable for African kitchens. Walkthrough. Master bedroom. The master bedroom, which has its washroom, is located directly opposite the living area, is spacious and elegant. The master is a suite with its washroom and wardrobe. The location of the master is particularly important since it has a full view into the compound of the residence. Walkthrough. Bedrooms. The 2 bedrooms have the same sizes and similar room arrangement. The spaces are roomy and allow for small study areas and wardrobes. The 2 bedrooms share a common washroom which can also be used by a visitor as well. Thanks so much for watching and supporting this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.